Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your name on the office.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website and after that go to your home page by tapping on this home button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then go to the profile button in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on my profile. Then you should wait a few seconds till you will be directed to this account section. Go to this edit name section and tap on it. Here you can find your last and first name that you can edit by deleting the current one. Type in the new one and then you should enter the characters that you see, and after that you will be able to edit your name by tapping on the save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.